2025. Who are you? Who's your mother? Are you the toenail of Satan? Yeah, this has been such a year of loss, guys. We've lost money, we've lost homes, we've lost jobs, we've lost family members, we've lost, has it? We've lost so much. And if this was your year of winning, who's your Kobela? No, who's your Kobela? I definitely know it's not Maweni because she was under the jail. So who are you using? African Kali, chemically engineering? Who? Tell us, because 2025 was a good year to you. I know who you are. Yeah. And I'm getting a yami bumtaba daddy bumtaba gogo bumtaba auntie bumtaba asisi. I am Sims and it's at right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Guys, not in the best of moods. Yeah, the past week and a half has been shitty, you know. Just after losing my cousin's husband, I lost one of my closest childhood friends. Oh, we threw her a gender reveal not too long ago, and sadly we lost her and the baby. Angazi ngizenzeni, like angazi ngizenzeni. That's why I haven't been online for all this time. My sincere apologies for not saying anything. It was just a lot. Yo, this video is brought to you by Scents and Gifts. They are an amazing fragrance gift box business where they curate fragrance gift box for men and women.
Hey management, at Scent and Gift, we curate fragrance gift boxes for both men and women. Gift giving is a love language and we make it easy and affordable for you to practice it to your loved ones or even yourself. To place an order, you can send a hi to 081 596 or simply go through our WhatsApp catalog, find what you love, and if you have any questions, we're just a text away. Delivery is available nationwide, and for the first 5 management to purchase a gift box will receive a free locker delivery.
I also got a little something from them for me. It arrived, guys, a while ago, and I've been abusing it. You remember the story time that I told you, Uguti, that Somategi said I smelled like fruits? It's the scent. It's the scent. They also sell Dubai fragrances separately. So if you just want the perfume and not the gift boxes, they have got you covered. Sana, this smells absolutely amazing. So this is my combo. It's this and this oil-based one. So I just cha. By saying it is spray lace. I already sprayed it on. I smell amazing. Guys, don't tell me I'm beautiful, mean. Tell me that I smell amazing. You've made my day. Okay? And then Ubabaga Snake has been using this and umuntu wami bazomthatha. Guys, these perfumes umuntu wami bazomthatha. Yes, unuka ngathi unamabhizinisi ayi-17. No, no. Yabona this gift box. It came with sweets, it came with socks. Guys, I've been abusing this gift box. That's why I am saying hlanga because I've used this stays in my handbag. Like I've been using everything in here. Like basically it's too much. So I will leave their information in the description box down below. They've also got a TikTok page. I know the gifts are going to confuse you. Christmas is around the corner, so do the right thing. It's the best event. Oh man, today's video is also a bit gloomy because tell me why just yesterday in the afternoon, South Africa received some shocking news that Warwick Roberts Stock DJ Waras is no longer with us. He was taken in the most gruesome and violent manner known to man, okay? Someone used on him broad daylight as he was leaving a building, a Joburg, a Van Villach, commissioner. If you don't know DJ Waras, he has been on radio for the longest time. I knew him from YFM. I met him a couple of times. Always sweet, always ready to party. He worked at YFM, 5FM, Gagas FM. He worked on Cliff Central, and he was now my colleague on YouTube because he and DJ PH had the Shady podcast, which he filmed day before yesterday. And yesterday he was tweeting throughout the day, and then he owns also a security business and a cleaning business. So he was now doing the Johannesburg clean up, where those illegal and hijacked buildings, he was cleaning them up through his company. And we know, guys, we know most of those buildings are owned by kingpins, people that, sell those things that go up the nose, people that just do illegal things. So obviously he was messing with the wrong people, and he on multiple occasions shared that this is a very, very dangerous business that he is in. So it was clearly like a hit because he was mocked. Um, Luckily, the police say that they've got footage of the suspects, and it's three men that are going to be pinned to this horrible deed. DJ Waris's family has even come online and on camera to ask that people who are sharing those videos of him laying there on the ground, they say that, can you guys please stop? Those videos are very like traumatic for them, because he is a father, he is a brother, he's someone's man. So that's why I tell guys, please, can you just give them that respect? It's very hard. It's very hard to lose a family member. I know we all have different opinions regarding Uwaras. I've seen them flying around online, and we are not currently going to entertain that because right now a family is grieving. So don't be like, Sims, it's please not the time, not the place, not the platform, please. Ne? To the Stock family, Siyaxolisa and Alohlanga, Lungehlanga. La Sizwe has admitted himself to an institution for mental health. As we all know that Ula Sizwe, when it comes to his mental health, he's very, very sensitive. And this, I think, is his second time in an institution because, guys, like he goes through a lot, and it's very hard for him to handle the platform that he is on. So ever so often, like he'll just check out or hand over his social media to his management, which is what he's doing right now. He said he's handed over his social media and he's just taking time off, and he just needs to recoup Moba. No, we are Goa. Like understandably so, understandably so. This is a very tricky and hard platform to be on. And if Vele you are quite you are easily shaken, yeah, like you're about to get tested a lot, so nje, yeah, it's okay not to have the thickest of skin, but it's also okay to know when to like take a step back and just find yourself. It's also okay.
This is me signing out. I have arrived at the mental wellness retreat. I was welcomed by a team of psychologists, psychiatrists, and nurses. Basically, they're going to be taking care of me for the next couple of weeks, meaning I'm going to miss Christmas. I'm not going to be able to wish you guys a Merry Christmas on Christmas because they take away phones. I've decided to do this because this year has been mentally challenging. I'm burnt out. I'm exhausted. I'm depressed. I have anxiety. Like my anxiety is just, yeah. And I'm proud of myself that I'm here. And bazong take care. You understand with bazong take care. And I wish people could take mental health seriously. And to you watching this, please find someone in your community, in your family, your friendship, to speak about, to speak to, rather, your English, to speak to regarding your feelings, your emotions, and how you're feeling, or find professional help. Yeah, we're back here again every year. We're doing it stronger, and I hope this team helps me to recover so that next year, siyabangena, we enter the year strong, healthy, and with a good head over on our shoulders or over our shoulders. It's lung. But I'm touching grass. And yeah, I love you guys and thank you for the year. Thank you for the support through the ups and downs. We did it, Joe. We made it. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and be safe.
Now, let us talk about Upromise no Lawrence Makunyane. We all know that Upromise was once a my husband this, my husband that brand, where she was just all about her marriage and all about her husband, ruffled a few feathers with her opinions regarding um women with children and no father figure, and single women who are baby mamas and side chicks, and she ruffled a few feathers when it comes to that side of life. Now it seems like her marriage is slowly dissolving, but no one is coming online to tell us what's going on. No statements have been released regarding any separation. All we got was that she wants to relook at her marriage contract and remove herself from the financial breadwinning abilities. She wants to separate her financial assets from her husband. That's what she wants to rework. But now, guess who is online flaunting a girl online? Hmm? Hmm? And then he's turned off the comments because people were like, "How Lorenzi? How Lolo? What's when line?" You know? And then he's like, "No, we are just friends. We are just friends." But the song on this video that you posted that is still up on your TikTok page says, "Till the wheels fall off." Lawrence, I know who you are. Lawrence, I know what you are. Lawrence, Vele, you've been embarrassing Romis from Vele the onset. Guys, my problem is when you're online and then you bring your significant other online, ne? And then you guys break up. You leave that person with us online. Now we must deal with this figure, with this container that we don't know if it's from Vodacom, Cell C, or MTN. Now you're leaving us with problems because we're not probis. You are now a boss babe. You are doing book deals. You are having a business. Basically, like you don't seem shaken or phased. Instead, you are in your go-getting era. But now you've left us with this problem of Lawrence. What can we must can to move on and do? No, I promise. Because wow, uLawrence uyasihlukumeza ngedatha yethu, nge-Wi-Fi yethu eyakavuma. No, please. When you remove yourself from these relationships, remove them also from our spaces. Abeg. Hey, even me. If Baba Snake and I go left, Nangiswa. Yo, guys, recording this video. Don't see me like being bubbly and stuff. Recording this video was absolutely hard. This is like the seventh time I'm sitting down for this video. I started at 5 in the morning to record. It's now 7, almost 8 a.m. because I keep deleting, starting over, go Zima. So I definitely know that I still need time to recoup and recover. But I promise you, I'll be back as soon as I can. This is my office. You guys are my therapy. You guys help me like maintain some sort of normalcy. So ngizobuya ngizobuya, I promise. But for this week ngiyangicela bandla, ngiyacela ningibekezelele. I'll be back as soon as I can though. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for the DMs, the love, the cakes. Someone sent me a packet of cakes. Someone sent me some ngiyabonga. Like guys, anything you do for me does not go unnoticed. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Khona manje, unexpectedly, this has been so helpful because like ngimuhle nginuka kamnandi babangihaka when the mourners come bayangihaka nginuka kamnandi. They're like wow, wow, wow. So ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. I promise you I'll be back as soon as I can, but for now ngiyacela nibekezelele. Ngiyabonga. Bye.